Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal Hakim bin Zulkifli and my partner name is Muhammad Amshar bin Muhammad Yusuf Razwan. We from a group 2. In this slide, we're gonna present about our project 2 using operational amplifier OOM. This is a inverting OM. We use OM 741 in multi-sim. Inverting OM using a negative terminal as a voltage input. There are two ways we use to calculate gain from OM. We use oscilloscope to observe a waveform and multimeter to find a Vout and Vin. For oscilloscope, the blue waveform divide a red waveform. Blue is output, meanwhile red is input. We get a gain 2.5. This is also another method we use to calculate gain using a formula. We divide the RF and Rin, and then we get a 5K and 2K. And we find a Vin to find a Vout first, and then 2.5K times 70 millivolt, we get a 1.768 volt. And then after that, if you want to find again, we need to Vout divide the Vin, and then we get a 2.5 for inverting OM.
Non-inverting operational amplifier. Non-inverting operational amplifier, this Vin go to a positive amplifier, and negative go to RF and Rin and ground. This is a formula for non-inverting amplifier. This is in multisim. Multimeter is get meter 1 get for Vin get a 0707.103 millivolt. Multi 2 at Vout for 1.1768 millivolt, and oscilloscope for blue wave for Vout 1.25, and red wave for Vin get a 0.5. For to get again, divide by Vout and Vin get a 2.5. Calculation for non-inverting amplifier is Vout divide by Vin, and 1 plus RF divide by Rin is get 1.768 volt, convert to a millivolt, 1.768 millivolt. For gain Vout divide by Vin get 2.5 for non-inverting. This differential amplifier. The differential amplifier Vin go to negative Vin negative go to R1 and R2 negative amplifier, and Vin R in my Vin positive go to R3 and R4 positive amplifier. This is a formula for differential amplifier. In multisim, this input for oscilloscope and multimeter. Input multimeter 1 get 707.1 millivolt, and output for get output and multimeter 2 get 8.673 millivolt. Oscilloscope in Vout, Vin is a red wave and Vout is a blue wave. Vout get 0.8 volt, Vin get 0.5. For gain divide by Vout, Vout divide Vin get 1.6. This output for all this positive for differential get 0.7071 millivolt, and output for negative amplifier get 6222 millivolt. This is a calculation for Vout A negative Vin multiply R3 divide R1 get negative 0.7070 millivolt. Vout B Vin R multiply R4 divide by R2 plus R4, and multiply R1 plus R3 divide R1. Vout B get 62221.6 millivolt, and Vout plus Vout E plus V out P, get a negative 8.4 millivolt. For gain V out divided by V in, get one negative 1.2.
Summing amplifier. Summing amplifier is another of the amplifier that combine the voltage present on two or more input into a single output voltage. We're using an oscilloscope to find a gain in this OM. We're using inverting OM, non-inverting OM, differential amplifier as a input for summing amplifier. In this picture, you can see that we combine all OM into a one circuit. After we combine all our OM, our final voltage gain is 10. So how we get a 10? From the oscilloscope, we can see that the blue waveform is a 2 peak, and the red waveform is 0.2, and 2 volt divide by 0.2, we get a 10 gain. This is also another method that we use. We find a V out and V in. After that, V out divide a V in, we get a 10. So that is our proof that we get a 10 gain from all our combined circuit. Thank you for watching our presentation in this video.